Did you watch our last video about the Irish agency that sponsors and trains international caregivers? Well, today I am going to show you exactly how to apply, step by step, including how to format your CV and what to say to increase your chances of getting selected. Let's get straight to it. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Peace, your go-to place for global job opportunities, travel jobs, and real visa sponsorships. If you are new here, subscribe and join many people already moving abroad with the help of this channel. Last week, I talked about AA Euro Healthcare, a legitimate agency in Ireland that trains and sponsors international caregivers. The response was incredible, and many of you asked, how do I apply? What should I write? What kind of CV do they want? So today, I will answer all of that and more. Let's begin with the application process. Step 1. Go to their official website, aaeuro.com. Step 2. Click on Healthcare Jobs or search for Healthcare Assistant with Sponsorship. Step 3. Read the job description carefully. If it mentions visa sponsorship available, that's the one you want. Step 4. Click Apply Now. You'll be asked to upload your CV and fill out a short form with your personal info, experience, and cover letter. Now, let's talk about how to craft the perfect CV and stand out. Here's the truth. You don't need formal healthcare experience. Even if you've worked as a nanny, house help, teacher, or care for family, you can still apply. Your CV should include 1. Personal info, your full name, contacts, nationality, passport number. That is optional. Step 2. Your career objective. For example, to contribute to patient-centered care and support the elderly with compassion and dignity. A quick surprise for you guys: if you are still here, have you liked this video? Please give it a thumbs up, okay? At the end of this video, there is a downloadable link where you can go and download a CV template for carers, okay? So you can just download that and edit it and put your details in it, okay? Step 3. Work experience. List any caregiving, domestic help, child care, teaching or volunteering roles. 4. Skills. Patient care, cooking, housekeeping, communication, time management. 5. Education. List your highest level. 6. Certifications, if any, like first aid or CPR or NVQ, etc. I shared the link about where you can get free healthcare courses in my community, okay? You can check the link and apply. So you have to keep it clear, professional, and in PDF format. Here is an example of a strong profile summary you can use. Compassionate and reliable caregiver with over 2 years of experience in supporting elderly clients with daily activities, including bathing, meal prep, and mobility assistance. Skilled in building rapport and providing emotional support. Actively seeking an opportunity to grow as a healthcare assistant in Ireland with full commitment to training and relocation. Short, direct, and confident. You will need to write this down as you are listening to me, okay? Most people skip this, but it's your chance to show you are serious. Your motivation letter should be 2 short paragraphs. Paragraph 1. Say why you are passionate about caregiving. Example: caring for my grandmother growing up taught me the value of empathy and patience. That experience inspired me to pursue a role in healthcare. Paragraph 2. Say why you want to work in Ireland with this agency. For example, Ireland's reputation for high-quality elderly care and AA Euros training opportunities make it the ideal place for me to build a meaningful career. That is it, clear and personal. After submitting, here's what to expect. You may get an email reply within 2 to 4 weeks. If shortlisted, they'll schedule an online interview. If selected, they match you with a sponsoring employer. Then begins the General Employment Permit application. Once approved, they help you relocate to Ireland. The process may take 3 to 6 months. Be patient, but be prepared. Didn't hear back in 3 to 4 weeks? Don't panic. Here's what you can do. Send a short follow-up email. The subject should be follow up on healthcare assistance application. Dear AA Euro, I hope you're well. I applied for the healthcare assistance with sponsorship role. You put in the date you applied, okay? I am very enthusiastic about the opportunity to join your team. Kindly let me know if additional documents are needed. Thank you for your time. This email is very polite and professional. That's how you stay visible. Avoid these common CV mistakes. Long paragraphs. You just have to keep it clean and bullet pointed, okay? Spelling errors. Make sure you read and read and read. You can use tools like Grammarly to help you in your spellings, okay? Photos is not needed unless it is requested, okay? You don't have to lie about your experience, okay? Because they will surely verify. Irrelevant jobs. Don't write anything that's not related to care, children, and the elderly or services, okay? That is not relevant to this role, okay? So try to avoid that. Listen, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to show you are willing to learn, work hard, and genuinely care. Agencies like AA Euro are looking for trainable, dedicated people. This is your shot. So hit the like button if this has helped you. Drop a comment with CV, please. If you want me to share a complete caregiver CV template, you can download and edit, and subscribe so you don't miss the next agency spotlight. Share to your family and friends, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. See you soon. God bless you, and I love you very much. Bye.